few minutes to go over the Brain Builder 2 assignment. So for this assignment, we're going to be going over the tools of poetry. And you may remember from your pre-test, I asked you about what was the three most important tools of poetry. And over this unit, we have started to go over some of those tools. So something I want you to know is that poets are language experts, and they know how to communicate big ideas in small and powerful words and phrases. So that is why when you read a poem, you've got to read it more than once because there's so much packed into that little bit of text. Poets, they know how to use words and phrases to provide layers of meaning. So when we were in class, we spent a lot of time working with different kinds of poetry, and you're going to continue to do this. Your semester exam, hint, 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 is going to ask you to evaluate tools of poetry. Therefore, we're going to start in this very first unit tracking some of these tools. Okay? Big, big, big thing here. You will have a tools of poetry assignment in every single unit. Keep these assignments handy, okay? Because they are going to be your cheat sheets for the semester exam. So if you want to do well in the semester exam, take this assignment seriously, okay? So, big tip for you here, because we've already gone over this, go back to your Beowulf Reader response assignment for help finding examples of each of these tools of poetry, okay? So, for this, you're going to define 5 different tools of poetry: kenning, caesura, visual imagery, auditory imagery, and alliteration. You need to make sure that your tools, when you define the tools, are specific and precise with your definitions. I have 2 links here that can be really helpful, but do not just copy and paste the definition. This is not a copy and paste thing. I want to see these definitions put into your own words, because when you put something into your own words, you have a better chance of remembering it versus just copy and pasting it. And I want you to do well on your semester exam. So make sure that you're writing it into your own words. And then I want you to give me specific examples, directly quoting and citing within the directly quoted lines and citing with the poem's line numbers. Okay, so when you go into the Beowulf and you're giving me examples of kenning and caesura and visual imagery and auditory imagery and alliteration, when you're copying and pasting those specific examples, I want you to tell me where you exactly in the poem you found them, what line numbers, okay? If you have any questions at all as you are completing this assignment, just make sure that you contact me. Thank you very much.